Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the presentation of JojobRT Real-Time Carpooling, your carpooling service. I remind you that the service is active for both students and workers who need to reach university campuses. First of all, let's see how to use this application. The application is available both on Android and iOS, and you can download it on your phone by going to each mobile store. After downloading the application, all you need to do is register by entering your personal data. You will receive a verification SMS, and then you can go and upload your homeward journeys. The journeys are uploaded by entering the departure and arrival times, the travel times, how long you will make these journeys, and the days of the week in which you plan to make the homeward journeys. After uploading the journeys, you will arrive on the agenda, the heart of the application. But before using it, click on the Community button and enter your company code, which you see superimposed. Once you have entered the code, you will officially be part of your company community. Here you can also decide if, when you are a driver, you want to receive the contribution to the travel cost of passengers directly through the application. In this case, you will enable payments by app. Otherwise, you can decide not to receive travel cost contribution directly through the application and therefore disable them. Let's go over the agenda. You see the driver version on the left and the passenger version on the right. In the driver version, you will see the passenger who for every single day and every single trip could travel with you. In the passenger version, you will see the drivers who for each individual day and each individual trip could take you to work. For example, by clicking on a driver, you will see the travel details and you can book a seat in the car. If you click on the book button, if the driver wants to receive contribution to the cost of the trip by the app, you will have to pay for the trip. Otherwise, no payments will be required and you can complete your booking. Once the reservation is made, you will need to certify your trip with the crew. To do this, just click on the red stripe that you will find in the agenda only at the planned time of your journey. The driver will show the QR code to his passengers, while the passengers will have to frame the driver's QR code. In this way, you will have certified your carpooling journey. For every trip you certify, you will receive a reward. This prize is called cashback and is equal to the value you see superimposed. The cashback will be received by both the driver and the passengers for each journey, a maximum of twice a day. How can you use cashback? In two ways. Once you reach €5, you can convert it into vouchers by downloading them directly via the cashback section of the app. The other solution is to use the accumulated cashback to contribute to the travel costs of those drivers who have enabled the transaction management directly on the application. If you don't have cashback but still want to book a trip that includes a cost contribution, you can recharge your virtual wallet at no additional cost by entering your debit or credit card details and recharge your J account. I remind you that it's really important to register on the application and upload your journeys, so you will be able to create a transport network to support your colleagues from homeward journeys. You may have the need sometimes during the year to receive a lift because you have a broken car or a transport strike. If many of you have registered and uploaded the rides, you can certainly rely on the carpooling network that you have created yourself. The job carries no obligation. You decide if, when, and how to carpool, but it's important to be present in order to have an efficient network of real help for homeward journeys. Thank you for your attention, and I'll wait for you on the job.